Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today our topic is bird. So before going further, I would like to ask some questions from you. Are you ready to answer? Okay, look at the screen. Who can fly among these animals? Very good, bird. Bird is the animal that can fly. On the screen, which animal does not have teeth but they can eat very easily? Yes, bird. Bird is the right answer. So we see different types of birds around us. Birds are of various color and size. Now I want to ask you some interesting riddles. You have to guess and tell me the name of these birds. So the first riddle is, on my head I have a crest. All say I dance the best. Of my father I am proud. Before the rain I cry aloud. Now guess, which bird is this? Yes, peacock. The second riddle is, long and grooved is my tail, high up in the sky I sail. I pick and eat all the mice. Guess this bird? Yes, it's eagle. The third riddle is, my feathers are green, my beak is red, guava and green chili I am fed. I love to copy people's voice and keep making a lot of noise. Now guess this bird? Yes, very good. Parrot. The fourth riddle is, black are my feathers and black is my tail. Caw caw I do all day long. Now guess my name? Yes, it's crow. The fifth riddle is, kuhu kuhu is my sound. Everywhere I am found. My sweet voice gives me name. Can you guess my name? Yes. Yes, this is cuckoo. The sixth riddle is, dead animals I do eat, making places clean and neat. High up in the sky, I fly. Can you guess this bird? Yes, this is vulture. The seventh riddle is, my beak is pink, feathers grey, gutter goo I go on all day. In houses I make my home. Now guess my name? Yes, I am pigeon. The eighth riddle is, my beak is very special. I use it like a needle. Stitching leaves I make my home. Can you tell me from which name I am known? Which name? Which name? Yes, it's tailor bird. Now, the last riddle is, in trunk of trees holes I make, hidden insects I intake. Tuk tuk tuk, I work all day. Now guess my name? Good. This is woodpecker. Children, when we hear the word bird, the first thing we think of is flying. But do you know? There are almost 40 different species of birds that can't fly. उनके पास विंग्स तो होते हैं, पर वो उतने डेवलप नहीं होते हैं कि वो उनकी हेल्प से फ्लाई कर सकें. So let's know the names of some birds. Ostrich. This is one of largest bird in the world. It can't fly, but it can run very fast. Next is emu. It has feathers which look like fur on its body. This is penguin. Penguins are aquatic bird. It weighs about 35 kg. This is Tasmanian native hen. They use their wings to balance themselves while running at speed. Next is Falkland streamer duck. These birds earned their name by running across water. आपको पता है, अभी तक आपने जितने भी बर्ड्स देखे और जिनके भी बारे में आपने जाना, वो सब different places पे रहते हैं. There are some birds which live on land or trees. Example, peacock, crow, pigeon. There are also some birds that live in water or near water. They are known as aquatic birds. Example, duck, swan, penguin. I hope आपको आज का जितना भी कंटेंट टीच किया समझ में आ गया होगा. So now it's your practice time. The question is, look at the picture and write the name of these birds. आपको यहाँ पे पिक्चर्स देखना है और आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि ये कौन सी बर्ड है और उसका नेम राइट करना है. That's it for today. We will meet again in next video. Thanks for watching.